Hello, and welcome to Epic English Stories, where learning English becomes a journey of inspiration and transformation. I'm really glad you clicked on this video because what we're about to explore together could shift your thinking and perhaps even your life. This isn't just another English lesson. Today's video is something different. It's a powerful idea, one that could change the way you learn, the way you speak, and the way you live. So, stay with me until the end, because this one concept could be the key that unlocks your true potential. Have you ever asked yourself, why do some people keep growing, improving, and achieving things even when life gets difficult? What's their secret? It's not always about talent, money, or good luck. In most cases, it all starts with one invisible force: their mindset. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. A special kind of mindset, studied by psychologists, practiced by leaders, and used by successful learners all over the world. It's not about fake positivity. It's not magic. It's a proven way of thinking that can completely change the way you approach problems, language learning, and your goals in life. Whether you're just beginning to learn English or you've been studying for years, this mindset will help you take the next big step. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's take this powerful journey together. What is a mindset? Let's begin with one important word: mindset. What does it really mean? In simple English, your mindset is the way you think about yourself, about challenges, about what you believe is possible. It's like the glasses you wear to view the world. If the lenses are clear, you see opportunity. If they're blurry, you see only problems. Some people don't even realize they have a mindset, but we all do, shaped by our past, our environment, and the things we tell ourselves every day. Some people think, I'm not good at English, or I'm just not confident. But here's the truth. The beliefs you carry shape the actions you take. There are two types of mindsets, and one of them is a total game changer. Let's explore both. The fixed mindset. People with a fixed mindset believe their abilities are permanent. They think, I was either born with talent or I wasn't. So, if something feels hard, like speaking English, they give up. They fear mistakes. They avoid challenges. And when they fail, they take it personally. This kind of thinking becomes a cage. And inside that cage, growth becomes almost impossible. The growth mindset. Now, here's where the magic happens. People with a growth mindset believe that abilities can grow with effort, time, and learning. They say, I may not speak English fluently yet, but I can improve. They see mistakes not as failure, but as feedback, as stepping stones. And this isn't just an idea. It's backed by science. Dr. Carol Dweck, a world-renowned psychologist, spent years researching this. Her studies showed something powerful. People who believe they can grow actually do. Why? Because they keep trying. They ask questions. They learn from failure. And they never stop improving. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. This is called neuroplasticity. And it proves that learning isn't fixed. You can rewire your brain at any age. Pause and reflect. Ask yourself honestly, when you struggle with English, do you think, I'm just not good at this? Or do you say, This is tough, but I'll figure it out. That small shift can lead to big changes. Your mindset is like a compass, and if it points toward growth, you'll go further than you ever imagined. What makes the growth mindset so powerful? The growth mindset is more than just motivation. It's a strategy for life. When you believe your effort matters, you become more confident, more focused, and more open to learning. Whether you're studying for a test, applying for a job, or trying to speak better English, this mindset will push you forward. It's the secret behind athletes, inventors, leaders, and it can be your secret too. Core beliefs of the growth mindset. Here are some key thoughts people with a growth mindset live by. I can learn anything if I practice. Talent isn't everything. Effort is. Mistakes help me grow. Each mistake is a lesson in disguise. Challenges build strength. Just like lifting weights, pushing through difficulty makes you stronger. Feedback makes me better. Don't fear corrections. Welcome them. They are tools for growth. I'm not born smart. I become smart through learning. Intelligence is built, not gifted. These are not just beliefs. They are habits. Train your brain to think this way, and you'll become unstoppable. Learning English. Through the growth mindset. Let's connect this to learning English. Maybe you've felt nervous speaking. Maybe you've made grammar mistakes. Maybe you've wanted to give up. That's normal. But your mindset can change everything. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Practice speaking. Make mistakes. Learn from them. A fixed mindset says, I'm bad at English. A growth mindset says, I'm getting better every day. That small change in thinking leads to confidence, motivation, and real improvement. Remember, even native speakers make mistakes. The key is to keep going. Final words. Choose the mindset of growth. Let's quickly go over what we've discovered today. Your mindset shapes your future. The growth mindset helps you learn, grow, and rise after every setback. It's not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. Mistakes are tools, not traps. Feedback is fuel. Growth is a choice. And that choice is yours to make. So, my friend, ask yourself this. Are you ready to believe in your ability to grow? Are you ready to stop being afraid of mistakes and start using them to become stronger? If yes, then make this promise to yourself today. I will believe in my progress. I will be patient with myself. I will never stop learning. That is the mindset of champions, and it belongs to you. If this message inspired you, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's one thing you're working on in English? What mindset do you want to grow? Let's support each other in this amazing journey. And if you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next story. Your support helps us reach more people who want to learn English and change their lives. Thank you for being here. Keep growing, keep learning, and never forget, your future begins with your mindset.